from my dad. He's always been very into electronic music, and he's been showing me so much music since I was a kid, all the way from Daft Punk, Kraftwerk, and Eiffel 65, like all these kind of things. So all these like kind of things have been in the back of my head all the time, and then I listen to a lot of hands-up music. It's the taste that I have, and I always try to approach that when I'm in the studio, so I'm always going for that feeling. So I always have this rule for myself that if I don't feel the melody, or if I don't remember it the next day I wake up, then I'm gonna trash it. So I always like, yeah, if I wake up and I'm like trying to hum the melody and I don't remember it, yeah, then it's on to the next one. There's no like secret formula or whatever, but that's just how it turns up for me in the end. Usually it starts with listening to a song that I really like. I get inspired by some song or something, and then I'll usually go into a studio and sort of maybe try to recreate that like vibe or is like sound from that song, and then I'll build from there, and then I can like create my own thing out of that. Or I start with the chord progression. I usually lay down a chord progression, and if I have that, then the rest is kind of will follow easily. So it's either chord progression or like recreating a sound from something that I got inspired by. I think the chords is just something you learn by ear. It's just, I don't know how to explain it. I can't really. I don't have a clever answer to that. It's just natural for me to like go through these different notes, and then I hear, oh, this one sounds wrong, and then in my head I hear, okay, the next chord should sound like this, and blah blah, and then I just like mess around a bit, and then it's there in the end. And then I can just like, sometimes I try to flip the notes around, and then they fit and they don't, and yeah, it's a lot of just trial and error as well. So it's not just like something that I have instantly. It's also a lot of like work to get to the end result. Got a new single finally coming called Easy. Been really excited to put that song out. It's like super Adrenalize, uplifting, euphoric summer vibes. It's just like totally what I stand for. Yeah, so I'm super excited to release that song very soon. And then also another euphoric hardstyle track with Remaking, also very euphoric, uplifting, just how I love it. And yeah, just more big collaborations that I'm working on, also more with B-Front coming. Yeah, just a lot of music that I'm working on and excited to put out, really. Actually, to be honest, I think one thing that I learned a lot from was remaking songs or sounds. So like, if you take a song that you really like and you just like try to copy it like exactly how it sounds, not to like release that, but then just like, so you learn how to do that and like how the structure is done and everything, the arrangement of the song, and then you like have all this, you get a better idea of how everything is done. And I learned a lot from that by like trying to remake all these sounds and copy it, and then yeah, and then I could like work my way from there. I think that's a good start. Like when you remake these sounds, you just get you practice your ears as well to learn like what these guys are doing, so you know what to do yourself. Be unique. Yeah, be yourself. Don't try to sound like me. Don't try to sound like somebody else. I mean, it's cool if you do, but it's not really gonna. I don't think it's gonna get you out there. Yeah, it's important to be unique and stand out, and stay true to your sound and what you like, and then eventually, if it's good enough, you will get there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I love you all, and I hope to see you somewhere soon. And yeah, bye bye. Adrenalize out.